This is 1004 Seabrook in Raleigh, North Carolina. There's the address on the side of the house. Go in the house. Quick look at the thermostat. You can see that it's set on cool and properly working. Go into the hallway. Look up. There's a combination carbon dioxide and smoke detector. Go down to bedroom number 1. This could be a smoke detector properly located inside the bedroom. Bedroom number 2. Another smoke detector properly located right next to the door. There's the brand and style of the smoke detectors. Bedroom number 3. Smoke detector right inside the door, just where it's supposed to be located according to the manufacturer's recommendations. So one detector in this bedroom, combination detector in the hall, another detector in the master bedroom, and another detector in the third bedroom.